I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This house here is a Lite Barn 130, which basically means it's a reduced spec and it's about 70 grand cheaper than our standard Elevate 130 home. It still has the same build process. It's got high insulation values. It uses thermally broken aluminium joinery, and it has low E argon filled double glazing. And it's got all the sort of the features of a standard Elevate home, but we've just removed some extra bells and whistles to make it more of a light version. It's based on the same floor plan as our standard 130 home, which is 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, has a separate scullery and a separate laundry. But this particular house is being used for a holiday home, so clients wanted to maximise the number of bedrooms, so we've actually incorporated a 4th bedroom into this home and removed the scullery, put a laundry nook into the bathroom, and have removed the the master bedroom walk-in wardrobe to be able to accommodate that extra room. So we'll go in and have a look, shall we? Okay, we're in the main living area here. It might be hard to gauge on video, but the ceiling height in here is actually lower than what we'd normally have in our standard Elevate homes. It's a 2.4 metre ceiling as opposed to 2.55. So that's probably one of the most significant differences between the Lite and the standard version, and provides the most cost savings because we can use sort of standard height materials throughout the rest of the building. The other significant cost saver in these homes are the windows and doors. They're slightly sort of shorter and a little bit narrower than what we'd normally use in the standard home, but they're still thermally broken aluminium joinery, as I said before, still uses the low E glass, double glazing and argon filled glazing as well. So still really lovely windows and doors. For example, this door here is usually our large overwall stacker door, but in the Lite version it's a shorter door and it's more of a 3-panel. It's a 3-panel stacker rather than the 4. So yeah, we'll go now and have a look at the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen layout is basically the same between the standard and the Lite version, other than the reduced height cabinetry. You still have these engineered stone bench tops, the Blum soft close drawers, and all the Bosch appliances, which include your range hood, the hob, and the oven here. This kitchen is a bit different though. It's quite bespoke in that we've removed the scullery, which is now a bathroom behind here. So the scullery door is usually sort of concealed, has a concealed door which hides the scullery at this end here, and then the whole kitchen is moved down towards that wing wall at the end there, and which fills in that space, I suppose. Just incidentally, the clients have asked us to keep that space empty, if you were wondering. I just wanted to draw your attention actually to the splashback here. This is actually wallpaper which has been covered over with glass, which I think is an awesome idea because it really gives you a lot of scope or a whole lot of options for different splashbacks, which I love. I think it looks really cool. So we'll just head over now to the other side of the room to have a look at the entertainment unit. Okay, the entertainment unit in the Lite versions is usually a lot larger than this one. In addition to the TV recess here with the cupboards above, there's usually a bookshelf on that end as well. We usually would have 2 floor-to-ceiling storage units along that wall there, right up to the doorway. But what we've done in this house is remove the walk-in wardrobe from the master bedroom behind this wall, and we've had to sort of replace the walk-in wardrobe with an inbuilt wardrobe space. So that's taken the space for the storage units on this side, if that makes sense. We might just pop into the master bedroom now and I'll see if I can explain that further. Okay, so follow me into the master bedroom here. Right, as I said, normally we would have a walk-in wardrobe off to the right here, and alongside it would have the ensuite for the master bedroom. But in order to accommodate a 4th bedroom into this home, we've removed those 2 rooms and put the 4th bedroom in behind this wall here. So if you want to follow me, I'll show you what I mean. Come on out past the entertainment unit again and round the corner into this bedroom here. Mind the cable there, sorry. So yeah, normally this area here would be your ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe attached to the master bedroom behind us. But obviously this is the bedroom of the same size now as the bedroom that we just come from, and same layout and everything else. The one thing I did want to point out in these bedrooms, you might have noticed in the other one, is that there is no wardrobe space here. Normally in the light version there would be a inbuilt wardrobe with bifold doors, but the client have their own freestanding wardrobes and furniture that they wanted to incorporate into the bedroom, so we've just left that empty for them, just to point that out. Right, we'll head over now to the other side of the house and have a look at the 2 remaining bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. Okay, we'll head down the hallway now to the bathroom, past this window here, into this big bathroom. The clients didn't need the separate laundry that's usually offered in this light version, and preferred to go for sort of this laundry alcove in the corner here. The rest of the bathroom features the light versions of our shower here, the toilet and vanity. Obviously we're just missing our mirror that usually sits above there, but that's coming in the next day or so. So we'll now head down to the end of the house to the 3rd bedroom. So come on through into here. So this room's set up as the same layout and set up as the other bedrooms we've come from. The only difference here is that we've got an office desk in the place of the wardrobes. The other thing I might as well point out while I'm in here is the windows again, a little bit smaller than what we'd be used to in the standard Elevate homes. Usually they're sliding doors, windows as well, as opposed to these awning openings. The highlight above the bed as well is a bit smaller in here. The one in the standard is just that little bit more wider. So we'll now head over to the other side of the house and have a look at the 4th bedroom and the 2nd bathroom. Okay, I'm on the other side of the kitchen now, so if you just want to come down this little passageway to the 2nd bathroom on the right here, or left here. Very similar to the one we've just been in without the laundry alcove, and that one has actually got the mirror already in, but don't mind the packers, it's still just been waiting for the glue to set on there. So if you want to come down the end here, last but not least is the 4th bedroom, which is virtually identical to the bedroom that we've just been in, other than the fact that it's got a larger office desk in here. So that's the tour. This is a beautiful 130 square metre home, perfect for the beach. It sort of focuses on what's really important, an extra room rather than extra cooking space or extra laundry. Perfect for when you're at the beach and wanting to fit in as many family and friends as possible. So if you'd like any more information about any of our homes, please visit our website, or better yet, come in and see us in Cambridge, 221 Hannon Road. We'd love to see you. Thanks for that. Bye for now.